Everybody's sleeping. Time to get some food. I'm so hungry. I wonder if there's any sleep. I wonder if she's sleeping. Yep, she's asleep. Let's go. Ow! Dum 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 dum. Dum dum dum. Walkie walkie. Anybody out here? Quick. Open the door. Run, 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 run. Run, run. Open the cupboard. Yummy. Have to climb up these shelving. Biscuits. No. Yum, yum. Quick. Yummy. Gummies. Biscuits. I'll just sit here for a while, I think. Yum, yum, yum. How am I going to get down? Jump. Okay, quick. Let's get back before everybody wakes up. Run, run, run. Now I'm back in my chair. Nobody will ever know I've been here. Sit down.
I heard something in the kitchen.
What's that on the floor, Zoe? Look.
A wrapper.
Who's been in the cupboard?
I don't know.
I don't know. Is there anything missing in the cupboard?
Yeah.
What's missing in the cupboard?
Gummy.
Oh, biscuits are missing, look. And where's the gummy gone?
I saw another wrapper.
Something's been eating it. Maybe a rat?
Yeah. They're my gummy.
Who's been eating the gummies? Is there a naughty teddy bear?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you think we should do?
Get it open.
Cut it open?
Yeah.
You can't cut the teddy bear open.
Yeah.
What? Okay, Mr. Teddy Bear, you're going to get an operation done.
Oh no, I don't want to be cut open.
We need to cut the teddy bear tummy.
You're going to have to strap the bear down, mate. What are you going to use to strap the bear down with? Some tape?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to be taped down. I promise I'll be a good bear. Someone please help me. Don't let them tape me down. I'll be a good bear. I promise. No. Stop it.
Okay, do you want to give him the needle in his arm?
Yeah.
Numb his arm a little bit with the cotton wool. There you go.
Here.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. There you go. Give me a needle.
Now we.
Okay, good. Now, wait 5 minutes. We have to cut his jacket off first because you can't just cut his stomach open. Let's cut his jacket off. Watch your fingers, mate. There you go. Okay, put his jacket aside. There you go. Yep. Now wait. Where are you going to cut? You need to mark him first. Cut him. You have to mark his stomach, along his stomach here, so that you can see where you're cutting. Okay, you mark it. That's it. Right. Now you cut him open and see what's inside. Watch your fingers, mate. Okay. Now, open his stomach. What's inside? What's he been eating? What a naughty teddy bear. A Milo bar.
Yeah.
That's Dad's Milo bar. Naughty teddy bear. Anything else? M&M's.
Yeah. Two of them.
I thought I heard noises last night in the kitchen. You must be getting up all the time eating stuff. What a naughty teddy bear, eh, Zoe?
Yeah.
There's your gummy. What's that? That's part of his stomach, isn't it? Okay.
Mom.
More? Okay. What else is in there? Lollies.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
And my makeup.
Oh, that's where your missing makeup went to.
Yeah. Nut.
A nut. Oh, well, bears eat nuts, I guess.
needle for your teeth.
What in the hell? What is he eating that for? Needles for teeth?
Why they brush
Yeah.
the smoke alarm?
What's he been eating? He's been eating matches too.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
This big
Biscuits.
this one.
And the unicorn head. A unicorn horn, sorry.
Open it and Mommy can have a look in the belly.
Let's sew him up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put some tape on his stomach.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can do it. I'll give you the tape, mate, alright? Hang on a sec. Okay, you put the tape on his stomach.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Taste on the too. Now you can eat more.
Okay, put his jacket on.
Just take it down.
Yeah, that's it.
Look at
Take the stick, take his off his legs. You give him a cuddle, alright? And then he'll wake up. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hope you like our video.
I hope you like our video.
And please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Bye-bye. Now I can eat more yummy food and get up at night time, and this time I've got to make sure that I won't wake anybody up and leave my wrappers everywhere. I'll be a very good boy from now on.